Guys, can you believe we're living in a world where robots deliver our food? Like actual robots straight out of a sci-fi movie? Imagine this. You're craving some delicious pizza, so you order it on your phone, and instead of a delivery person, a cute little robot rolls up to your door with your order. That's the future AI is creating for us. And honestly, I'm here for it. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI food delivery robots, the real MVPs of the food delivery game. We'll break down how these brainy bots work, the tech wizardry that powers them, and where you can find them doing their thing around the world. So buckle up, grab your snacks, maybe order them through a robot if you have one nearby, just saying, and get ready for a super interesting ride into the future of food delivery. Okay, so picture this. You order your favorite biryani from your go-to restaurant. But instead of a delivery person zipping through traffic, it's an AI-powered robot bringing you your food. These robots, guys, are like the ultimate delivery ninjas. They use a super cool combo of AI smarts, LiDAR sensors, like the ones in self-driving cars, GPS navigation, and some serious real-time data processing to navigate the world. Think of LiDAR as the robot's eyes. It uses lasers to create a three-dimensional map of its surroundings, helping it avoid obstacles like trees, benches, or even that one annoying neighbor's cat that's always roaming around. Then comes GPS, which acts like the robot's trusty map, guiding it through the streets to your doorstep. They're constantly learning and adapting to their environment using AI. They can recognize traffic signals, pedestrians, that's you, and even jaywalkers, shame on you. The robot is constantly collecting data from its sensors and sending it to the cloud, where it's analyzed in a flash to help the robot make split-second decisions. This data helps the robot choose the most efficient route, avoid sudden obstacles, and even predict pedestrian behavior. Basically, these robots are like the Sherlock Holmes of the delivery world. Observant, intelligent, and always one step ahead. Alright, let's get a little geeky and talk about the tech behind these awesome AI robots. First up, we have AI, the brain of the operation. These robots are trained on massive amounts of data, allowing them to recognize objects, understand their surroundings, and make smart decisions on the go. It's like teaching a robot to think for itself. But instead of world domination, it just wants to deliver your pizza on time. Next, we have sensors, the robot senses. We already talked about LiDAR, but these robots are also equipped with cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and even temperature sensors to keep your food at the perfect temperature. Then there's connectivity, because even robots need a bit of social interaction, or at least internet access. These robots use 4G or 5G networks to stay connected to the cloud and receive real-time updates on traffic conditions, weather changes, or even new obstacles in their path. And of course, we can't forget about the motors and batteries. These robots are powered by electric motors, making them eco-friendly and silent as a ninja. So, rest assured, your food is in safe, tech-savvy hands. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds super cool, but are these robots just a thing in sci-fi movies? Or do they actually exist in the real world? Well, my friend, they are very much a real thing. And while China might be leading the robot delivery revolution, the rest of the world is catching up fast. Let's start with the US of A. Companies like Starship Technologies, Amazon Scout, and FedEx Same-Day Bot are already testing their robot delivery services in several cities. Imagine walking down the street and seeing a fleet of these little robots zipping around delivering packages and groceries. It's like a scene straight out of a futuristic movie, but it's happening right now. Across the pond in Europe, countries like the UK, Germany, and Finland are also embracing the robot delivery trend. Starship Technologies, the same company operating in the US, has a strong presence in Europe, with its robots delivering everything from groceries to takeout. In some European cities, these robots have become a common sight, navigating sidewalks and even college campuses with ease. Countries like South Korea, Japan, and even Colombia are exploring the potential of AI-powered delivery robots. In South Korea, for example, robots are being used to deliver food and packages in high-rise buildings, navigating elevators and corridors like pros. The point is, AI food delivery robots are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're here, they're delivering, and they're changing the game. Okay, so we've talked about how cool these AI food delivery robots are. But let's be real, every coin has two sides. So, let's weigh the pros and cons of having robots deliver our biryani, shall we? First up, the pros. One of the biggest advantages is efficiency. These robots are like the ultimate delivery ninjas, zipping through traffic and sidewalks, making sure your food arrives hot and fresh. Plus, they don't need lunch breaks or sleep, so they can work 24/7, delivering your late-night cravings without complaint. Another major plus point is cost-effectiveness. Once you get past the initial investment, these robots are relatively cheap to operate compared to human delivery drivers. They don't need salaries, benefits, or vacations, which means lower delivery costs for businesses and potentially even cheaper food for us. Win-win. And let's not forget about safety. These robots are programmed to follow traffic rules, avoid obstacles, and generally be responsible little citizens. They're less likely to get into accidents or make mistakes that human drivers might, making the roads safer for everyone. But now, for the cons. One concern is job displacement. As robots become more prevalent in the delivery industry, there's a chance they could replace human delivery drivers, which could lead to job losses in the sector. Another concern is security. While these robots are equipped with cameras and sensors, they're not completely immune to theft or vandalism. And then there's the whole issue of accessibility and infrastructure. These robots work best in well-maintained, pedestrian-friendly environments. So, what does the future hold for these AI-powered delivery robots? Well, guys, buckle up because things are about to get even more futuristic. Imagine a world where robots don't just deliver food, but also groceries, packages, and even medicines. That's the future AI is building, and honestly, it's pretty exciting. As technology advances, we can expect to see even smarter robots with better obstacle avoidance, improved navigation, and maybe even some personality. Imagine a robot that cracks jokes while delivering your pizza, or one that wishes you a good day. Now that's customer service. We might also see the rise of drone delivery, where robots take to the skies to deliver our orders. Imagine a drone gently landing your package on your balcony, or dropping off your coffee at your office window. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it could soon become a reality. But it's not just about the robots themselves. The entire delivery ecosystem is evolving. We're talking smart cities with dedicated lanes for delivery robots, intelligent traffic management systems that prioritize robot deliveries, and maybe even robot charging stations on every corner. The future of AI-powered delivery is all about convenience, efficiency, and sustainability. So, the next time you see a robot rolling down the street, don't be afraid to give it a wave. It might just be delivering your next meal. So guys, what do you think? Are you ready for a future where robots deliver your food? Would you trust a robot to handle your biryani with care? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI food delivery robots, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, literally, because robots are delivering food now, and I'll see you in the next one.